If you're looking to unlock the secrets of email marketing and boost your online presence, then you are in for a treat today. We've got a treasure trove of tips, tricks and strategies coming your way. But make sure you stay watching till the end, because there are some sneaky legalities that you're going to need to know to make sure that you can still reach your customers without breaking any rules. So stick around, because by the end of this video you will be armed with the knowledge to take your email marketing game to a whole new level. I'll even leave some helpful links in the description to get you started straight away. So let's dive in. So you might be wondering, why should I care about email marketing? Well, because when done right, it's like a secret superpower in your digital marketing arsenal. In fact, in 2022, Litmus found that the return on investment could be as high as $36 for every dollar invested. And in the company I work for, it drives more traffic to our website than anything else right now, which is some serious magic. So let's uncover the wonders of email marketing and why it is a powerhouse. Plus, we'll sprinkle in some benefits and stats to seal the deal. So email marketing, my friends, is your digital marketing sidekick. It's like the trusty little helper sending promotional messages or newsletters directly to your subscribers' inboxes. The goal? Building those priceless customer relationships, boosting brand awareness, and yes, driving those all-important sales. But why is it such a hit, you ask? Well, not only is it a cost-effective solution, but it also dishes out precious data to analyze your campaigns. So it's like your own digital marketing laboratory. And remember, you have got the power to personalize your content to make it as relevant as a meme on your feed. So email marketing has been around for quite a while. In fact, the very first marketing email was sent way back in 1978, I think. But oddly, it's not stuck in the past. Email marketing is versatile. You can send a single email, like a sneak peek of new content, or roll out an ongoing newsletter, or even share exciting product updates. It's like a Swiss Army knife of digital marketing. So now you might be thinking, but what about newer, shinier marketing channels? Well, let me tell you, email marketing has a special touch of intimacy. Accessing someone's inbox is sacred, and when they let you in, there's already a level of trust that is hard to achieve elsewhere. So when should you whip out your email marketing wand? Well, it's the go-to for building connections, boosting brand awareness, promoting your content, generating leads, marketing your products, and nurturing those precious leads. It is versatile and oh so effective. And the cherry on top, there are over 4.3 billion email users worldwide. So not to mention, 51% of marketers swear by email marketing's effectiveness, and 53% are still investing in it as we speak. That's right, email marketing is like the gift that keeps giving. All right, so how can you dip your toes into the email marketing waters? Well, it's like baking a cake. You need a recipe to follow. So here is your recipe for success. Number one, create an email marketing strategy. It is all about understanding your audience and setting clear goals. Get your plan in place. Number two, build your email list. So think of it as collecting ingredients for your cake. You need a solid list of subscribers to actually get started. Three, choose an email campaign type, which is like trying to work out what type of cake you want to bake. Pick the right campaign type for your audience. Four, make a schedule. Consistency is key. Decide how often you're going to be sending emails and stick to it. 5, measure your results. As the cake bakes, you want to keep an eye on it. Measure your email marketing success and make adjustments as needed. But wait, there's more. You don't have to be a digital marketing wizard to actually get started. You've got some trusty email marketing tools at your disposal, and they're like your loyal sidekicks. For instance, email marketing providers, ESPs, are like the Robin to your Batman. They help you create and send emails, and some even offer analytics to actually track your success. Personally, I recommend MailChimp. It's been around forever, and so it can be really trusted, and it's almost foolproof in its setup, and it's so easy even I can work with it. And there's so much you can do with the free version before you even decide if it's the right place for you to spend your money. The link's in the description. But you can Google and shop around and see what takes your fancy. But we're living in the future now. I mean, I'm still waiting on the hoverboard and self-drying clothes, but I'm sure that's nothing AI won't be delivering soon. But until then, how can we utilize AI for your email marketing? Surprisingly, AI has already taken centre stage in many aspects of email marketing, becoming your loyal personal assistant in the digital realm. But how can we use it, preferably for free, to help us get started with email marketing? Just looking at ChatGPT for now. Number one, content generation. ChatGPT can help marketers by generating engaging and relevant email content. It can assist in drafting compelling subject lines, writing email copy, and even creating personalized messages, saving marketers time and effort, which is just what we need. 2, segmentation. ChatGPT can analyze customer data and behavior to help marketers create more precise email segments. By understanding customer preferences and purchase history, it can suggest how to group contacts for more effective targeting. Personalization. ChatGPT can provide insights on how to make email content more personalized. It can suggest tailoring emails beyond just using the recipient's name, helping marketers create emails that truly resonate within the audience. And number 4, I think I forgot to say number 3, A/B testing. ChatGPT can actually assist in devising A/B strategies, suggesting elements to test, such as subject lines, email copy, images, and send times. It can help analyze test results and recommend adjustments based on data. Automated responses. ChatGPT can be integrated into email marketing platforms to provide automated responses to common customer queries. This ensures timely responses and improves customer engagement. Don't you agree? But what else can it help with? Number 6, data analysis. ChatGPT can help with data analysis, providing insights into open rate, click-through rates, and conversion rates. It can assist in identifying trends and patterns to optimize email campaigns. By integrating ChatGPT into email marketing processes, businesses can benefit from improved efficiency, better personalization, and more data-driven strategies, ultimately leading to more effective email campaigns. But, of course, AI isn't without its challenges. Low quality data, privacy regulations, biases, and the potential loss of a personal touch are hurdles that we must navigate in this exciting AI-powered future. Drop me a comment if you want me to do a video on how to actually do any of these options. This is all well and fine, but how do you even get anyone to sign up to actually receive your amazingly crafted and fabulous emails? It's like growing your very own garden of subscribers. Remember, quality over quantity. Here's the deal. Use lead magnets. These are like irresistible treats that lure in your subscribers. Ebooks, white papers, webinars, they all work like a charm. What free content can you offer to make people want to subscribe to you and keep that content coming? Create an enticing opt-in form. Now, your opt-in form is your gateway to subscriber paradise. So make it stand out, but keep it simple and truthful. What would make you want to click and subscribe to a newsletter? Use that. Maybe the lure to having VIP knowledge, or sales offers before anyone else, or insider secrets, or free cake. Now, it is important to follow the rules. You want to be that cool person at the party, not the gatecrasher. Keep these email regulations in mind and check if you have any other rules for your country. Number 1, CAN spam compliance. Protect your subscribers' rights to receive only the emails they have requested. Don't be a spammer, be a superstar. GDPR compliance. Now this one is all about giving your customers the right to choose. Let them be the masters of their inbox and don't contact them unless they have given you your email already. I mean, unless they're another business, in which case I don't think GDPR applies. Avoid spam filters. You don't want your emails to just vanish into the spam abyss, right? Get whitelisted, mind your copy, and use a reliable email service provider. Phew! Wow, we have covered email marketing from every angle, and now you are ready to conquer the digital marketing world with your newfound email marketing prowess. Just remember the golden rule: treat your subscribers like friends and they will eagerly await your emails. So go out there and dazzle your audience with personalized content, rock those email campaigns, and watch your business flourish, and also hit like and subscribe. Totally part of it. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and remember, in the world of digital marketing, email is your trusty companion. Until next time, keep those inboxes buzzing and keep those smiles coming. I must have read that somewhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and even ring the notification bell to stay up to date with all things digital marketing. And as always, feel free to drop any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments. Until next time, happy emailing. Bye bye.